whether you like it or not, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a real and genuine man of God, which none of you can do anything about it. It's obvious, none of you can do anything about it. If you like it, come out and say that, do a video saying that you saw Evangelist Ebuka knocking somebody, doing this or doing that one. You cannot still change my stand till tomorrow.
Bobby will win the man money woman and some man again. I think I did this video. I just love the reply. Our brother Obuma replied and that man opening any video no each of connect subscribe or comment and share my on notification.
Whether you like it or not, Oburi had a fake, you a fake. Because only I go to brain your computer. There's no way only my head uchi has okay. You have to say me had a man open heaven will arrange our fake every day. How many years now? Back to back. When I can say queer, and if talk about those people, you know, for their testimony, most of them and now they now for they say marriage, most of you are very stupid and useless on this social media. Those ones I mentioned now open heaven that their testimony. Why are you guys not copying them and post? Most of those guys say Evangelist Ebuka now open heaven, mention them their case, and you will see them coming for testimony. Why are you guys not copying that video to post or to use to display your stupidity? Like a lot of tags since yesterday. Everybody is tagging me to react. Some are dragging me. Some think that they are poking me. Those of you that are tagging me to speak, to talk, to react on that particular prophecy, you guys link with Blessing CEO. What do you guys want me to say? What exactly you guys want me to say? Those of you that has been tagging me on that video, exactly what do you want me to say? We are used to all those things. I don't have anything to say. Una tawam crackers biscuit. Mandi be like Jenugu, Mandi Zion, Mandi Omena Buzi Ezioku. Everybody is tagging me to react on that video. Some are tagging me to react in a positive way. Some are tagging me to mock themselves, thinking it's me or some ministry by the Ebuka. The only thing I have to tell you people is that whether you like it or not, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a real and genuine man of God, which none of you can do anything about it. It's obvious, none of you can do anything about it. If you like it, come out and say that, do a video saying that you saw Evangelist Ebuka knocking somebody, doing this or doing that one. You cannot still change my stand till tomorrow. Because somebody like me, I said it before and I'm still saying it now, I don't need anybody to convince me that Evangelist Ebuka is real or fake. I don't need no one to do that to me. Like for real, I don't. Because somebody like me, I know how to connect with my inner self and know genuine people. You know, so we are used to all these things. This is not the first time now. Last time they did Wazurike Ama chapter Abamu. As you can see, I'm healthy, I'm this and that. Very shameful. As if not so Wazurike. You know? As if not Wazurike. Now, poor bless, you guys went and tag Blessing CEO. Normally, you know, I can't solve you too much in our here. All the people in Canada here now cancer, you know, blessing is not the only blessing that maybe have the sickness. I don't know why some people, our people, choose to be very stupid and keep after. Politicians, look at what is going on. Boko Haram bandiotia, all these amateur, unfortunate bloggers, or if you some know me or crap tofu, they display stupidity. There's some people say, yes, ekudia, and you are tagging me to say what exactly? What do you want me to say? You are tagging me to join those stupidities most of you are doing out there to say what exactly? And even if I talk, some of you will start crying. Obuma can kuku ekita. Tidonyo ona peli konyo ona zona. Some of you, you guys will not allow me to be on my own, to focus on myself and do my thing. You will be the one to tag me. Then when I react, you start crying, insulting your papa. You know, what exactly do you guys want me to say? Secondly, I thought you guys don't follow Zion Ministry. I thought Zion Ministry is fake. You guys don't watch Open Heaven. How come you guys used to know all those things? Because even me that used to watch Open Heaven, I didn't even see when they give this prophecy. But it's sure that most of you been at the page with the fake pages. You guys are living on Zion Ministry page with your fake pages, flowing up more than we put our open and outreach to endorse the ministry and the man of God. Because someone like me, I know that it's real and genuine. I keep saying it till tomorrow. If within myself, I don't know that Zion Ministry is here and genuine, maybe I won't be speaking about Zion Evangelism because a lot of people, a lot of notable people are going one-on-one try to convince me. And I said no. I don't need anybody to tell me that Evangelist Ebuka has nothing to do with arrange. I don't need anyone to tell me, convince me that the man is real. Within myself, I know. I'm not a kid. And the spiritual aspect of life, I am a novice on spiritual aspect of life. I know a lot. So if not, maybe in the belly face here, no, Makego or whatever, I would have stopped all these things since. Because a lot of people have spoke to me. I said something on the last video I made when I tried to blast Zion Ministry fans that I was angry. I've said no to people, to someone I shouldn't say no to, no matter what, regarding Zion Ministry issue. But I said no. Because somebody like me, once I stand with A and I know that A is A, I can never go out from that A unless the A force me to. Then I withdraw myself, I give up. But all come at this one from day one. You know this stuff. You came out from nowhere telling me that this one down because of your selfish interest, because of your own greediness. No, I'm not gonna accept that for any reason. Because it's gonna be very, very unfair to me and unfair to Evangelist Ebuka as well. You know? It's gonna be unfair to me and also unfair to Evangelist Ebuka as the ministry as a whole. Because I know that nothing like fake or arranged. I don't need anybody to convince me about that. That is the reason sometimes when you see how I'm speaking with this, like the way I will be discussing with some of these notable people, or feel you know how worker that I'm closer to most of you, Mapa. When you see me trying to like do my thing with them, like you gonna think say I dey live for Evangelist Ebuka bedroom, because I'm fully convinced that no, it's not like that. Forget about all this social media stuff. Also, some people trying to implicate, mess them, do all these things. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It's quite unfortunate you can't do anything about those things. But you see on this prophecy of 18, whether you like it or not, or put had a fake, you a fake. Because only I go to brain your computer. There's no way only my here uchi okay. You have to say me Open Heaven will arrange or fake every day. How many years now? Back to back. When I can say and if talk about those people, you know for their testimony, most of them and I be enough for the same now arrange those ones are they mentioned na Open Heaven that testimony. Why are you guys not copying them and post? most of those guys say Evangelist Ebuka na afa na open heaven mention them their case, and you will see them coming for testimony. Why are you guys not copying that video to post or to use to display your stupidity? Ọkọ na-ekwuru unu amachapụta ndị owe ọjọọ, ndị Chineke buru ọnụ, ndị Chineke ga like ndị Chineke na-go n'iyi, ndị na-enwe ozi future. Ọka akụ ya agbapụta kọpịrị ji bịa na cause trouble, na-create nuisance. You better tag him ka nkwu okwu. Come and talk. See wetin your daddy dey thunder gbagbuku egidie. You never hear that dig na-ekwu. This and that one. Come and react. What do you have to say? Also mekwa aga ọnụ. Most of you na tag him. Ngazie kuchazie na oburu okwu. Nkucha ise na nna akpari daddy GO gị nna eme nke ahụ eme nke a. Mana oge ya na tag him. Onye ọzọ ya tag him gbasara all these things. Thunder ga-afa ya onye ahụ. Unu ada hapụ.